Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, this is the much anticipated long video of all of these Bowie knives that I've been working on. Everybody has seen the shorts. If you've been following my channel, thank you. Really appreciate all the activity. Lots of new subscribers too. So anybody out there hasn't subscribed, please do so. It really helps us a lot here. And anyway, okay, here we go. Yeah. Yep. It's a big knife. Big sheath, big everything. Alright, so what it is a my version of a Marine Raider Bowie knife. Okay. This one was requested by a customer of mine a long time back now, finally getting it done. And Gary, there it is. I know you saw all the other ones, my short videos, but it's oh boy, I tell you. Now look at that blade guard. Now this is similar to the original one. Okay, again, this is my version, but the ball ends on here, which was on the original, those are all usually that's a cast brass type of fitting, but I actually formed that all by hand on my machines and with files, and it's triangular shaped. A little hard to see it from there. No, it's okay there. You see it bad. See the diamond shape pattern right there? It just adds a lot to the detail. And of course the Loveless bolts, really heavy duty. Got to have that on a big knife. Now that's the frame handle construction. Now there's a bunch of my videos that I've already done on how I did that. So if you wanted to see how that construction is done, please go back into my my previous videos, and I'll show you how I did that. Very important, and again, real quick description. This right here is narrower, much narrower than over here. Okay, so to get that blade guard on there, and this is the same as the second one that I'm going to show you. This piece right here has to be considerably bigger to fit over the end here. Anyway, as you can see, it just wouldn't be right. So this whole end here would have to be tiny for that guard to fit on there. That don't do it for me. This handle needs to be as big as it needs to be, especially at the end here. So that's why I make the frame handle construction. And again, there's videos of that I've made to, I've got to go back. It's such a big knife. Anyway, it feels good in the hand. Considering that it's such a big ass knife, it really is balanced. It, feels good. You can chop with it. That's the whole intent. And these are a full 1/4 inch thick. Okay, this is no sissy knife. This is a big knife. Okay, so all right, I'm gonna put that one down. Yeah, hard to give this one up because I'm gonna have to make more of them. I mean, it just is. So what's better than one Bowie knife? 2 Bowie knives. Now this one's a little different. Okay, same sheath, same. That's a little different dangler on here. But oh, and by the way, these D-rings, I make all these. I make everything here myself, other than the snaps, of course. If I can do it, I'm going to make it. I just prefer to make everything myself, and I don't know. Okay. Yeah, I know. This one's a little darker piece of gunstock tiger maple. Same Loveless bolts and everything. This one has what's called a bird's beak handle. Okay, right here, as you can see, it's kind of the bird's beak. It's a traditional type of look. Now this one has the S brass guard. All right, a little different than the other one. Still feels good in the hand. Not quite as big. What is it? Oh, the W49, I believe, is what the original Western brand Bowie knife was called. Now their guard was considerably bigger. All right, I'm not quite sure what the reasoning is for that. These were used as a Marine Raider Bowie at one time also. Now that guard is not that big. Okay, I thought it looked a little overdone on the original, bigger than what needed to be. Okay, the whole purpose of the guard, of course, is if to protect your hand, and in a knife fight back in the day, to keep the blade, if you're coming down, catching your thumb, and that happened. But I'm not quite sure how many times you're going to wind up in a knife fight nowadays. So it's I made it to fit the handle, to fit my hand, which I always do, and it just seems like it's a better overall size. Okay, right there. Anyway, same knife blade. This one's a little shorter. Hang on a second. This one's about 9 1/4 long, and the big one, I believe, oh, there goes my glasses, 10 1/4, 10 1/2. Okay, so there they are. A little hard to, gotta go way back here. Okay, there we go. There they are. Yeah, I know. It's a cool knife. These are the type of knives that if you walk into the store and you saw something like that, we've talked about this before. Us knife people are all the same. We can't help it. Start to sweat. Mercy. But anyway, I'm very thankful that all my customers are feel the same way I do about knives. I've been a knife person all my life, and obviously there's many more of us out there doing the same. So anyhow, okay, so that's the long take on these knives. Gary, those are yours. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And you'll be getting these here in the mail shortly. They should be arriving anytime now. And again, everybody, thank you for all the activity on my site here, on my channel. And we got lots more to come. Lots more. I got lots of shorts and a lot of long form videos I've been working on. So we've got more for everybody to see. So thanks again, everyone. This clicker here is probably not going to work, so I'm probably going to have to turn it off up there. So okay, thanks again. We'll catch you folks in the next one.